went to the hospital, had the surgery done for my heart attack, they told me what I weighed. And I never thought I weighed that much. Just, 3 months prior to that is when I hit the 376. I went from doing certain things to doing nothing. I love to race cars, that's been my whole life. All the stuff that I love to do, I could not no longer do. And even in, the work in the shop I couldn't do, I had to hire people to do that. They told us when we started the program that, we're giving you the basic tools and you need to build from that. And it's been very good what they've done. I monitor what I eat, I still eat what I was taught to eat at the start of the program. I exercise, I get 2 miles a day, 3 times a week. The support it's just amazing, and I think the whole program is amazing. I'm down to 198 pounds. I've lost 178 pounds, and my goal now is to get to 188. And I think the biggest thing we all say is we should have done it sooner.